So we start off today's video with someone who has blonde, mid-length hair. And she has decided to switch it up with this gorgeous shoulder-length bob haircut. Beautiful curls to bring out the cut. Absolutely stunning, effortless makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will showcase a variety of short styles, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of some new ways to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. Loving this beautiful shaggy curly cuts. Great way to rock the curls, especially as we head into the summer season. And then we see someone with shoulder-length hair deciding to switch it up with this beautiful bob. Loving the dimensional color within this one, absolutely beautiful. And then we have someone rocking out a bit of a modern mullet, loving the baby bangs and pops of red sprinkled in this cut. Such a modern and edgy hairstyle to play around with. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone trying out the very popular layered haircut look. So many women are gravitating towards this style. Here we have a shoulder-length lob with curtain bangs, followed by another layered haircut variation. More of the bottleneck bang style for this one. Another gorgeous cut with the curtain bangs. Longer layers with curtain style bangs in the front. Beautiful bob with the curtain bangs, gorgeous. And then more long layers. And we have some more curtain bangs here. Great way to add some texture, volume, and movement to the hair. And then we have this short and sweet all black pixie style. Love her makeup, so pretty. And then we have a color transformation. beautiful blonde pixie style. And then we have this gorgeous angled bob haircut, beautiful mix of blonde going there towards the ends. So pretty. I love how this perfectly frames her face, her jawline. Beautiful. And then we have this really pretty pixie bob haircut with the swoop bangs. Absolutely gorgeous, and I'm loving the dimensional color that this has as well. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were spotted in today's video and you were able to gain some major hair inspiration. If you were, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.